The following video is provided by Qiachip. You came home from work, trying to take a nap. The light switch is still all the way across the room. Stay tuned because we might just got the perfect solution for your problems. Before we begin, you will have to pair your receiver with your remote control. If you haven't paired your receiver yet, please check the video link down below from the description. Now switch off the power distribution cabinet. Today we are going to convert your old conventional light switch into a 21st century remote control switch. First, we are going to remove your light canopy. Behind the fixture strap you should see 3 wires. One L, one N, one PE. P is the protective earth wire, which we are not going to use in this scenario. Now screw open the nails on the receiver. Connect the N wire from the wall, usually white or blue. In the video it is blue, on the side of the control button, and seal it. Now connect the L wire from the wall, usually black or brown. In the video it is black, on the side of the control button, and seal it. Now connect the wire from the light to the side of the receiver written out. Connect the N wire, usually white or blue, to the N and seal it. And L wire, usually black or brown, to L and seal it. If there is a wire color that isn't mentioned here, please leave a comment down below. Put the canopy back in place and switch the power distribution cabinet back on. Use the preset setting on the remote control to control the light. Now you've learned how to remotely control your lights at home. Do you still want to use the conventional light switch? Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to check out more of our new products. We have a link to our official store down in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Or contact us at samuel9607@qiachip.com, or ask us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/qiachip.